Now, sum number 4th. See, 7x minus 2y upon xy, 8x plus 7y upon xy. How to solve this question? First, to separate these numbers. So, 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy is equal to what? 5. Then 8x upon xy, 7y upon xy is equal to 15. Correct? So cancel this x, cancel this y. 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equal to 5. First equation. Cancel x, cancel y. क्या answer? 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equal to 15. ये what? Second equation. Now what to do? Again take 1 upon y is equal to a, 1 upon x is equal to what? B. So 7a minus 2b is equal to 5. First equation. 8a plus 7b is equal to 15. Second equation. Now we have to make what? Two equations का. So cross multiply करने का, 7 into what? 2. So multiply first equation by 7 and second equation by what? 2. So इधर लिखो multiply first equation by 7 and second equation by 2. 7 sevens are 49a, 7 twos are 14b, 7 fives are 35, 8 twos are 16a plus 7 twos are 14b, 15 twos are 30. Third equation, fourth equation. Now cancel. ये कितना आया? ये 5 carry 1, 65a is equal to कितना आंसर आया? 65. So a is equal to 65 upon 65. A is equal to what? 1. We got answer 1. Now to find what the value be. Substitute. So see, substitute a in equation. You can put what? Take 1. Right? 1 में ले लो. So 7. A की value क्या? 1 minus 2b is equal to what? 5. 7 minus 2b is equal to 5. So minus 2b is equal to 5. Take 7 that side. 7 minus 2b. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 5. 2. But put more greater number side. So b is equal to minus 2 upon minus 2. Therefore b is equal to answer 1. But here we got a and b value. But you will find what? The value of x and y. So resubstitute the value of a and b. So 1 upon y, a की value क्या इधर? 1 a and 1 upon x is equal to what? b. 1 upon y is equal to 1 and 1 upon x is equal to what? 1. We do input and input. Correct? Cross multiply. You get what? Value will be y is equal to what? 1. And here x is what? Value is what? 1. So we got this answer. Both answer 1 and 1. See, the last question we are solving now. It's the last question of this particular subtopic. Now, here we find what? Again, we find what the value of x and y. So here, this term, and this term both are equal. So what to do? Let 1 upon 3x plus 4y is equal to a. 1 upon 2x minus 3y is equal to what? b. This whole term is what? a. So what to do? क्या आएगा ये? a upon 2 plus b upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay? Here. Now, again क्या इधर 5a minus 2b is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Now इधर take LCM. क्या है LCM? 2 5s are 10. Cross multiply. 5 into a 5a plus 2 into b 2b is equal to 1/4. Correct? Now cross multiply again. 4 5a plus 2b is equal to 10 ones are 10. Multiply this here, multiply this here. 4 5s are 20a plus 8b is equal to 10. We got first equation. Same way इधर multiply करो इसको. 2 multiply करो 2 5a minus 2b is equal to minus 3. 2 5s are 10a plus 4b is equal to minus 3. We got the second equation. Right? Now, so take these two again. So see, either 4a, either 8a. तो make this equation what? Second equation क्या करना है? 8 करना है. So multiply second equation by 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. फर्स्ट विल बी सेम ऐसे रहेगा 2a प्लस 8b इज इक्वल टू 10. ये फर्स्ट इक्वेशन रहेगा, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो. 2 10s are 20. 2 मल्टीप्लाई किया ना, हाँ. सो 2 10s are 20a माइनस 8b इज इक्वल टू माइनस 6. करेक्ट? नाउ ये मिला थर्ड इक्वेशन. ये कैंसिल हो गया. 40a इज इक्वल टू कितना आंसर 4. एडिंग 1 in third equation. A is equal to 4/40. So A is equal to 1/10. So A value we got what? 1/10. इसको करने का resubstitute. So इधर resubstitute the value of A in equation 1 में पुट कर दो. करेक्ट? सो 20a के बदले क्या आएगा 1/10 प्लस 8b इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 10. कट हो गया ये. क्या आंसर है 2 प्लस 8b इज इक्वल टू 10. 8b इज इक्वल टू 10 माइनस 2. 8b इज इक्वल टू 8. b इज इक्वल टू 8/8. b की वैल्यू क्या गई 1. A और B value मिला. What? To find the value of what? These two value to find out. So again, see, तो क्या आएगा? Resubstitute A and B value. So first one क्या है? 1/3x plus 4y is equal to A. दूसरा क्या है? 1/2x minus y is equal to B. So 1/3x plus 4y A की वैल्यू क्या है 1/10. 1/2x minus y is equal to B की वैल्यू क्या है 1. अब इसको देखो इनवर्ट इंटू करो. क्या आएगा 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. ये मिला फर्स्ट. ये मिला हम लोगों को इक्वेशन 4. इसको ऊपर लेके जाओ. 2x minus y is equal to what 1. ये मिला हम लोगों को फिफ्थ इक्वेशन. ना इधर y है तो मल्टीप्लाई फिफ्थ इक्वेशन बाय व्हाट 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. मल्टीप्लाई फिफ्थ इक्वेशन बाय 4 से क्या आएगा इधर 3x प्लस 4y इज इक्वल टू 10. ये आएगा 4 2s are 8x माइनस 4y इज इक्वल टू 4. ये मिला हम लोग को फोर्थ इक्वेशन और ये मिला फिफ्थ इक्वेशन. कट कर दो इसको. क्या है आंसर 11x इज इक्वल टू आंसर कितना है 14. और क्या बताता हूँ मैं. सी नाउ हियर वी हैव डन लिटिल बिट मिस्टेक्स ओवर हियर. एक्चुअली द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट हियर नाउ व्हाट 3y minus 3y and here also what 3y. Correct? So do again this up. See again. So now input into करो इसको. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 3y is equal to what 1. Here we got what fourth equation and what fifth equation. See, to make what both are same. So what to do now? multiply 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 3y is equal to what? 1. See what to do now. Multiply what? You make this 2. Multiply this equation by what? 3 and this equation by what? 4. So multiply first equation by 3 and second equation by 4. To multiply 3 3s are 9x plus 12y is equal to what? 30. 4 into x 4x plus minus 4 3s are 12y is equal to what? 4. Correct? Now अब इधर ये है फोर्थ इक्वेशन, ये फिफ्थ इक्वेशन. ना सी कट हो गया. ये है 17x is equal to what? 34 adding 4 and 5. So x is equal to 34 upon 17. x की वैल्यू क्या मिला हम लोग को? 2. Now substitute x in equation 4 पे डाल दो या हाँ 4 में पुट कर दो. So क्या आएगा? 3 x की वैल्यू 2 plus 4y is equal to 10. 6 plus 4y is equal to 10. So 4y 10. ये plus है, take that side. 6 4y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 upon 4. Y is equal to what? Y की वैल्यू क्या गई? We got the y value is what? 1. So this is the what? All the 5 sums we have done. So please complete and what? And do the homework.